Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready to meet some incredible talents. People who push past boundaries and make the impossible look easy. All right, let's dive in. A steep slope, towering like a stone wall, and a heavy truck struggling to climb it. This was no ordinary slope. This was the slope of death, where every turn of the wheel was a struggle for survival. Imagine a giant machine, taller than a two-story building and weighing nearly 270 tons. That is the Letourneau L2350, the largest wheel loader on the planet. Dubbed a monster in the mining industry, the L2350 is more than just a machine. The world's largest wheel loader, the Letourneau L2350, is not self-propelled, but is being pulled by a team of 4 powerful Mercedes-Benz tractors. This is not just any ordinary transport, but a display of power and engineering at its finest, demonstrating the ability of heavy industry to push the boundaries. Behold the giants of the road. Across Australia's vast freeways, Mack and Kenworth three-wheel trucks are more than just vehicles. They are the backbone of an industry, deftly hauling huge loads that dwarf everything else.
ये देख सकते हैं आप, ये ट्रक जैसा आने की कोशिश कर रहा है, नहीं रहा है। इतनी पावरफुल इंजन होने के साथ में हटा।
The incredible power of Doolan's Kenworth K200 as it undertakes a monumental task, transporting a TASRail locomotive. This is no ordinary transport. It is a testament to heavy-duty logistics, demonstrating the immense capabilities of the K200, a true giant of the road.
đấy kìa. ¿Dónde sintió? El siguiente.
Logging truck tersiksa kalau sudah ketemu jalan begini. Just one short sentence is enough to describe the misery of timber truck drivers when facing death roads. Prepare to be amazed by hundreds of meticulously and artistically modified semi-trucks, each a mobile masterpiece. But the highlight that cannot be missed is the performance of the legendary Scania V8 with its explosive, powerful, open pipes exhaust sound.
Here, สายพันธุ์ครับ กำลังเป็นประเด็นไม่ใช่สิ กำลังเป็นที่ถกเถียงในช่องเราเครื่องนี้นี่เดิมๆหรือเปล่าพี่เขาบอกว่าเครื่องเดิมเลยครับ195ของโอมาใส่เกียร์อีตันครับนี่เอาละสิ245แรงม้าบวกกับพลังของเกียร์อีตันครับปากติดงานทอยปากบ่อที่100ครับ
A heart-stopping scene has just taken place on a severely damaged road, which almost caused a terrible tragedy. Two heavy trucks loaded with goods swerved incredibly on the road surface covered with potholes and deep cracks.
Jember 500 Ranap.
Get ready for an epic event not to be missed in Belgium. Truck Show Cine 2025. This is not just any truck show, but a real festival for car enthusiasts, where you will see the biggest, most beautiful and impressive trucks from all over Europe.
Quer botar ela mais aqui em cima não? Aí mesmo, né? Aí ela vai. É mesmo, mas lá atrás não tem.
In the harsh weather conditions in Vietnam, the massive container truck is moving backwards, bit by bit. Limited visibility due to storms and rain, slippery road surface is a challenge, requiring the driver to have extremely skillful skills and high concentration. one fateful afternoon, as the train rumbled through the deadly curve, a strange noise suddenly tore through the silence. The train lurched violently, shaking as if it wanted to throw everything off the tracks.
สวัสดีครับอยู่กับ6ล้อดำกรีนครับโอ้ยับผสมประสีกันไปครับใครที่ตกงานไม่มีงานครับก็มารวมกันอยู่นี่แหละเจ้านี้ครับสไปเดอร์แมนโค้งไม่ทันแล้วโหดมากครับดูทางลื่นไม่ถึงครับใส่ได้ไม่เยอะครับโอ้
A horrific scene has just occurred when the truck crashed with the cabin completely deformed and all the goods heavily damaged. The incident left a devastated scene, showing the severity of the collision. The dramatic moment when the Hino 500 FM260JD wriggled unleashed a powerful jerk that tore through the mud trap, narrowly helping the driver escape. The bright smile of the driver behind the wheel was proof of a thrilling rescue.
Hulu jantan, wih sudah mereng betul. Makin dalam nanti nih teman.
พื้นครับบนโต๊ะเราบันนี้มองนี้มันบริแห้งครับเพราะมันเป็นสโลปแต่ว่ามันมืนครับหนานะครับผิวถนนมันมืนครับผิวถนนมันเปลี่ยนมันเป็นดินเหนียวความแล้วน้ำถึงกระบะเขานะครับน้ำถึงกระบะเขามันไหลความมันพี่น้องน้ำถึงกระบะมันจวดเอาเดี๋ยวกระการครับการสลิงดึงไอ้นี่ใช่นากันเอาบริเวณไปน้ำกันมัน
effective sand delivery is committed to providing comprehensive construction material solutions to meet all your needs. We understand that sand is an essential element for the success of every project, from large construction projects to small home renovations. The modified car roared, tearing through the quiet night, sluggishly carrying heavy boxes of glue. The driver, who was used to muddy, dangerous roads, did not expect that this trip would be different. The massive Caterpillar 140K grader is proving its mettle as it successfully claws its way out of a challenging quagmire. With its powerful performance and durable design, this beast once again proves its leadership in all types of harsh terrain. A giant tractor, straining under the weight of its heavy machinery, slowly makes its way up a treacherous mountain pass. Every hairpin turn is a test of life and death, where a small mistake could lead to disaster. The rugged roads of northeastern Brazil are full of challenges, especially the route that is considered the most dangerous in the region. This is not only a place to test the driving skills of soldiers, but also the boundary between life and death for anyone who wants to explore the harsh land of Sertão.
O, idzie jedna pięknie z kania bez ciągnika, a tu druga zwalnia. Ciekawe, czy tamta z tyłu dogoni tą ściągniczkiem, czy nie dogoni. Jak dogoni, będzie musiała wolnić i pewno wtedy wolni dupa.
Co, bo on ma ten koło, tego tak idzie dobrze. Dobra.
Przejechał z kania, a tam idzie.
Ale go pomoże, popchnie.
I tutaj już z kania wchodzi zakręt. Tamta.
เบาได้ก็เบาครับไปรถใช้กับเรานานเพราะว่าเจ้ายักษ์อยู่ใกล้ครับพ่อเนี่ยทำได้
The machines of Team 1 are not just vehicles, but real warriors on every road. Each car is a legend, driven by brave drivers, not afraid of danger or challenge.
ตันสายสิ่งสายโหดสายโอ้ยเอาดิโคลนมาแต่ฟูโซ่นี่มันแรงจริงเลยไม่พบแล้วดุ
Ballard Bridge, a sentinel of Seattle's maritime heart, abruptly broke free from its steel embrace. With the soft screech of gears and the creak of sturdy cables, its two spans rose majestically, creating a towering portal for ships navigating the crowded waters. The Ballard Bridge, a sentinel of Seattle's maritime heart, abruptly splits from its steel embrace. With the soft screech of gears and the creak of sturdy cables, its two spans rise majestically, creating a towering portal for ships navigating the crowded waters. Thank you for watching. I hope these moments will help you relax after a stressful day at work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Goodbye, and see you again.